Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Jumana Fatima. I am studying in first standard. The story name is Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time there was a crow. Caw, caw, caw. He was very thirsty. He searched of water here and there. Here is the pot.
பயப்படாம சொல்லு. பயந்துட்டா.
He got an idea. Put some stones into it. The water will rise up. He drink it and happily fly away. Jasakala Hayran Kasira. Moral of the story: necessity is mother of inventions. Jasakala Hayran Kasira.